This is a Fuzzy Optin video, and you put one of these on your website to generate leads for your business, maybe customers, maybe students. Have a look at what happens. When we watch the video,
What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to take you behind the scenes.
And at a key point in the video, look at that, it's playing in the background. I can't get to the video, it's gone mute. I want to keep watching, and we need to opt in to keep watching the video. What a tease! You got the blur effect, Fuzzy Optin video, and I have to opt in to keep watching. So let's do that. Put in my name and email address.
Behind the scenes
And the video jumps back to where I left off, and the website has just generated a new lead.
So
now the cool thing about this is when people are seeing the video continues to play and they're in the moment of watching that video, they really want to keep watching it. And you as a website owner, you can generate leads for your business, add subscribers to your list without ever building an opt-in page or without ever building a landing page. You don't even need to generate an opt-in video. You can literally turn any video into a Fuzzy Optin video. So let's take a look inside of the admin here. You can see we've got Fuzzy Optin video. There's the video we just tried out. I'm going to select it. It's letting me know that I've opted in, which is nice. But down here under leads, we can see we've just generated a lead. So super cool, super easy to do it. Now, why is it telling me that I have just opted in myself? Well, if I'm setting up Fuzzy videos to generate leads for my business, you can see it now remembers.
In this video,
I can freely watch this video. There's no Fuzzy Opt-in happening. It already knows that I've opted into the video. And so if I want to try this out, I could just do one click, clear out myself as an opt-in. Back in the front end, let's go ahead and watch this video again.
In this video is I'm going to take you behind the scenes.
Yes. And there it is. A beautiful experience. Now, this beats things like, video unaccessible. You have to opt in to get it, or telling people that, hey, please sign up to get your access. They're already engaged with the video and they can see, hey, the video is still playing. I'm missing out. So there is a sense of urgency, which is awesome for generating a high opt-in conversion ratio. And again, for us that have websites and are generating leads for our business, it makes it so much easier not to have to create an opt-in page, not to have to create opt-in videos, but to freely generate leads and freely build our list. So how easy is it to create an opt-in video? If I go back into the Fuzzy Optin, I'm going to go to my dashboard here. We're going to build a brand new one from scratch, and we're going to do it in about 30 seconds. Clicking add video, and I've got a cool tip coming up as well. I'm going to call it my new website video, and it could be literally any video. You can convert it into a Fuzzy Optin. We can give it an image. We can do that in a moment. And then we've got a description here. We can quickly link it up to an autoresponder. So I'm using MailChimp. I'm going to activate that and just select a list from my MailChimp. And you can put it on multiple lists at the same time. Let's continue to the video here, and we just pop in our video. You could use a Vimeo video, YouTube video. I've got a really cool YouTube video tip coming up in this video, but just pasting in the video there, you can see it in the background loading, and we can just remove the opt-in form here to see the video. Let's add a poster image as well. This is optional. And we've done the video part. We just go to the opt-in here. It's ready, given me a template that's ready to go. Watch full video, enter your email for instant access, and down here we can choose at what point in the video we want this opt-in trigger to appear. Now, for this demonstration, I had it really early in the video because I didn't want to drag it out and have you watch my video so I can demo this to you. But basically, look at this. I'm dragging in the timeline here for the opt-in trigger, and I can choose anywhere in the video for that opt-in form to show up. And let me just bring up the opt-in form so we can see it there, and then we can fully customize this opt-in form. So we've got a headline, and you can put your amazing headline here for your audience. We've got sub headlines, and look how easy it is to customize this. You've got quick pick options here just to make it look and feel exactly like you want without having to do any manual editing. We can expand here for more options as well, and you can fully customize the text, the button, like let's say keep watching now as the button. That's how easy it was. We can make it medium, larger, whatever we want, and we can choose different components here. Now, in a matter of a few moments, we've generated a beautiful video opt-in experience, but the secret power of this is the blur effect, and the video keeps playing muted in the background, which really gets under people's skin and they want to keep watching that video. So saving changes. This is ready to go now. We can also preview it here in the admin. So I'm going to choose the preview option here. It's just going to go a little bit before the opt-in trigger, and there you go. That's how effective and that's how easy it is. It even pops the cursor there ready in the input, so people can just start typing to opt in, hit the enter, and keep watching the video. Now, if you want to be less aggressive with your marketing, you do have the option here as well to enable skip, can skip. In other words, you can say, hey, I'd recommend you to opt in to keep watching, but if you want to skip the opt-in, it'll put a little X in the top right corner here, and they can click that to keep watching the video. When I'm doing online marketing, leads are super important in my business, so I'm going to be leaving can skip disabled. Now, how do we add this to our website? All we do is go to the publish option here, and we've got a simple shortcode here that we can copy and paste. Let me go to my editor here. I'm going to replace the previous video with our new Fuzzy Optin. We just imagine the time we save from not having to create a landing page. Just put a Fuzzy Optin here, refresh the page here. There's our video loading on the website, and it is responsive as well. We start watching the video, and there's our opt-in trigger, and we need to opt in to keep watching. Now, if you want to embed this video outside of the WordPress environment, we've also got more options under the publishing options. So here we've got a JavaScript snippet where you can take one little snippet and paste it anywhere you can put HTML code. We've also got a basic HTML option and a more advanced option. All of these will take care of embedding your video. If you're doing it inside of WordPress, you just simply use the shortcode. It doesn't get any easier than that. And we'll go to our dashboard here. If I scroll down the bottom, here's our new Fuzzy Optin video. We can grab almost any video on YouTube that's related to our audience and convert that video into a Fuzzy Optin video. So what happens as a result? You have other people building your list for you or generating leads for you. For instance, if your business is about marketing, maybe you can go and pick up a marketing video, pop that on your website, but instead of just putting it on your website as a video, put it there as a Fuzzy Optin video and generate leads from that video super easily. Just paste in my video ID here, and there's my video, and there's my opt-in form ready to go. So all your videos that are available to the public on your website, you can turn them into lead generating videos and just pop that opt-in trigger a little bit further down where they're kind of into the video and just before that critical moment, a little bit like TV when they have the ads break come up just before something's about to happen. Okay, we're going to be back after a short little break. And now we get to the fun stuff. Once you have this tool, you can literally generate Fuzzy opt-ins in just moments. You can link those opt-ins to your autoresponder, and you can be building your list or generating leads for your business. And what I've got available right now is a special introduction early bird for this brand new 2023 tool that's going to enable list building and lead generation for you and for your website, and to make it super easy. So if you have a look below this video, you will see my special invitation early bird offer where you can literally get access to this tool for pennies on the dollar. Maybe take me out for a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you more than accessing this powerful marketing tool that's going to help you grow your business, and to do it effectively without the headache of complicated software where you've got to start to make things work. This thing, it works out of the box. It's a WordPress plugin. You install it on your WordPress site and you're good to go. Also, if you have any trouble setting this up, we've got a full support team that will help you get up and running, even if it means, hey, Matt, can you install this for me? I'm not sure how to install a WordPress plugin. Hey, we will do that for you at no extra cost. You've also got a 30-day risk-free money-back guarantee. And if you honestly don't think this is the best list building tool that you've ever used and one of the most powerful video tools for generating leads online and building your list, then you just let us know and we will refund your purchase right away. So if you look below this video, you will see my early bird there. It's literally pennies on the dollar. It's for a limited time only. So if you want to pick it up today. You'll click on the buy now button. It'll take you through the checkout process and you'll come back to the other side and I'll be there with another video and we'll get your access set up immediately so that you can get access to this tool right now. So hey, it is Matthew McDonald here. I'm going to be waiting for you on the other side.